So we're back with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Oh my God, I wish I had my surfboard with me today. It is really, really, absolutely perfect conditions. Let's get this thing up before they go away. Looks like I'm not the only one who had the idea to come down here and get some footage. Got a couple of guys getting some clips. So I just got some awesome shots on the drone. I'm just gonna get some handheld video clips and some pics. Got the boys over here getting some shots. Everybody's got their setup. Yeah, get it. Oh, this guy got the red camera. He's ready to go. What's going on, man? Get any good ones?
Yeah, our buddies did some, yeah.
Yeah, looking fucking epic. So that's about it for this hyperlapse. It's not really a tutorial today. I just wanted to get some good shots of the surf. Being a surfer my whole life, when you see the waves coming up, you know there's always going to be a couple of guys in the water doing a really good job as far as riding the waves, getting some tricks and maneuvers. For the hyperlapses, I did a few. I did about 3 different ones, and you'll see the best ones in this video. Then I went down to the beach. I put everything away after the battery was all set. Went down to the beach. I got some nice beach angle video shots. There's a kind of like it's not really a seagull, it's a special bird. I'll look up the name here. And there was like a group of 4 or 5 of them flying really low to the water, kind of flying right over the surfers. So I got some really, really cool clips of that. Other than that, get out there and film something. Get out there and take some pictures. Don't let your location get in the way. You could live near a train station and you can get some amazing lights and colors at night. You can live in the mountains, you can live in the city, or a combination of all three. So don't let your location stop your creativity. Just go out and create something and enjoy the process. So thanks again to everybody who's been tuning in. I really appreciate it. We're up to 62 subscribers, so it's very exciting to see the number go up little by little. Thank you for everybody who's commented and liked and shared the videos so far. If you have anything that you want to see me create down here in the South Florida area, something maybe that is not in your area where you live, just type it in the comments and I'll see what I can do as far as creating it. Other than that, if you found any value in today's video or any of the videos I've posted, a subscribe would be really awesome if you could do that. Just like the video and maybe throw a comment down there. So thanks again. This is Kevin with Kevin Haggerty Media Productions. Thanks for tuning in and we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.